Now, today, members of parliament have also brought a makula for the Kabaka. And we request you to deliver it to the Kabaka. And being a Nalongo, Tenywa and Waiswa have also given me a makula to bring to the Kabaka. The amakula they have brought from Waiswa and Tenywa is just right there in the car. Then the one of the members of parliament will kindly deliver it. Honorable Mpoga has it, he will deliver it to you. As we conclude, OHT, it's not an easy thing to do what you're doing. If it was possible, we would also one day do the same thing. And I want to request my members of parliament that you also get a conviction that the kingdom has. You get a conviction for your constituencies. Because for Uganda may be bigger for you. Please get a conviction for your constituencies. Whatever little you can do for your people, let's do whatever we can do for humanity. Let's leave this world better than the way we got it. I want to thank all of you. Thank the members of parliament for coming. Thank the kingdom for receiving us in a very, very special way. And my brother Titi, Right Honorable Titi, you are such a special friend. And we'll be waiting for your letter. We'll support the kingdom. Those who want to talk can go and talk. Those who want to audit whatever we give out, that is their business. We are going to support you unconditionally for the good of this government, Uganda. And you know, for us, we all know, we all have where we come from. We come from NRM. I come from NRM. He comes from NRM. And whatever we do for the good of our party, for the good of our people, Uganda, and that is that for God and my country. OHT, I know you're very busy, but always create time and come and say a word to us in parliament. You're always most welcome to that parliament. That's your parliament. And I said we are tenants, and we will always welcome you and give you all the courtesies that you will need. I say all this, Saba Sajja Kabaka Awangale.
Deputy Speaker and the Right Honourable